There are 3 options to create a new video using Synthesia. We can get started with a blank canvas, generate an AI-based video, or import a PowerPoint deck. To generate an AI-based video, input the topic and the audience profile. You can also share additional information such as the preferred language, context, objective, persona, and tone using the Add More option. The sample covers the topic training sales teams on negotiation skills in a professional tone. Now it's time to generate video. Synthesia provides the AI-generated script in a few seconds. We can continue in Editor. To customize the video. You can totally customize the video, change the layout, avatar, background music, add your logo, change content, and more. Once you customize, all that's needed now is to download the file and use it.
Good day, team. Today, we're going to focus on a critical aspect of our job negotiations that meet those needs effectively. We often think of negotiation as a battle, about closing the deal. Negotiation is a critical skill for any sales team.